Today we have a video from Watch Cop Cam, and the title of the video is Police Surprise Rental Car Scammer Trying to Steal a Luxury Vehicle.
This is a fake license.
Why would I bring a fake license to
the profile that you're using?
Are you saying I bring a fake license?
On February 11th, 2024, a Hertz employee spots a customer trying to rent a car with a fake ID and calls it in.
What's going on? This is a fake license.
Why would I bring a fake license to
the profile that you're using?
Are you saying I bring a fake license?
The profile he's using is of a gold member that is.
That is a lie. How is this a fake license? She tricked me, bro.
Actually, the guy.
No.
Uh-oh, getting them together. Let's go.
Come here.
Oh, yeah.
Police.
Hold up. We know how the officers get now. They don't like to run. They're gonna get them together. Just wait. But my thing is this, before we continue, Hertz had to call the police. That takes time. The police isn't just there automatically. So you sat there, waited for the police to arrive, and now you want to take off. You're cooked. You're cooked, buddy.
It's of a gold member that is.
That is a lie. How is this a fake license? She tricked me, bro.
Actually.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. It's go time. Oh, he got the taser out.
Come here.
See, officers got all that equipment on, man. So they running with 20, 30 pounds of extra equipment.
Head towards stairwell 8. Take you to the stairwell. Stairwell 8. Heading to our station.
That's good. That's good. He still got eyes on him.
Southbound car rental.
What is this at the airport? That's at the airport. Damn. He gave it a good effort, man. Way to keep eyes on him. Good communication. Just too much equipment for him. Can't keep up with him. But good job, though. He running slow, but still keeping a steady pace, man.
Stop!
Good job.
Get on the car.
Uh-oh. Oh, yeah.
Get your hands out. Get your hands out.
See, now the only thing that would have made this better is if when you seen him hit that corner, right? When he hit that corner, if you just gave him a nice Ray Lewis tackle, man, right there. Boom! Oh! Got him together, man. You completely justified. Right here. Bow! Oh! If he would have cracked him, it would have been good.
Get your hands out. Get your hands out.
Yeah, take your ass on to jail.
We don't want to touch me.
Good job, boys. Good communication.
.415, we're by the bus stop.
Do you have anything on you we need to be concerned about? Guns, drugs, knives, anything like that?
We got a squad on scene. Oh, Matt's on scene.
I'm going to jail about this?
Yeah, you are. You just ran from us.
Because y'all just came to me about doing that I was supposed to do. I got scared.
So, you just want to kind of tell me what happened?
So what happened was this morning, we emailed from our customers. I emailed the guy to say, to see how his rental was going so far. He emailed me back saying that he never picked up. and that his account had been hacked. So
Do you have his name?
his name is Morris.
This?
Yep. Dennis Morris.
So you emailed him?
Yeah.
What time was this?
I emailed him about 8:30, 9 o'clock this morning.
Can you give me a copy of that?
Email? Sure. This is email. This is ask him how this was going. Email me back to tell me that he never picked up and that his account had been hacked and they had picked up on the vehicle under his name.
His account was hacked, and then what?
I have seen another resume for him that he just made at 3:28 today.
Okay.
So that's my call in and have him go over to the exit gate to let him know that if this name comes up,
So
don't let him out. By the time we noticed that it was 3:30, Ben walked over to the exit gate to let them know, so we have a radio saying they can hear us. Right when he got there, the guy was at the gate. So we just
So they caught him just in
called the
time.
code out, let the gate up, and act like our system was down until you guys got there.
Damn, man. Sorry, bro.
I'm gonna take one hand out. Don't try anything.
No, I'm not trying to. I just scared me, brother. I have no weapons on me or anything.
Did he say anything to you guys when he was at the exit?
No.
He was asking me how to get a larger vehicle.
That's all he asked.
Yeah, he was like, well, at first he asked like, oh, your system, like, she said our system was down over the radio. And he's like, oh, you guys' system's down. I was like, yeah, it's probably gonna be a minute.
And then you said the actual guy with this name, he's like, is he like a special member with you guys?
He's a gold member.
Gold member?
They just come pick their cars up, go to the exit gate with their license. We verify their license, and
We have their credit card information on file, so.
Okay.
Be careful, my girl's in there. My grill's, brother.
Yeah, I see that.
Hey, y'all done have my phone and everything?
Never hold on to it. It's probably going to be taken as evidence.
He was charged with identity theft of information to obtain money, resisting an officer, and taking a vehicle without the owner's consent. As for the real account holder, his identity had been stolen twice in 48 hours across 2 different states. A reminder that identity theft doesn't just happen online. Drop your comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.
Yeah, with the emerger of the internet and everything, and everyone's information is leaked and it's out there. You know what I mean? Which is sad. It's sad, but your bank information, your cell phones. That's why people get a lot of scam calls and people be taking advantage. It's really nothing you can do. It is what it is. Social security numbers, all that stuff is online. You can find it. Sad, crazy situation. So that's why you got a lot of the times, identity theft is real. People make IDs or whatever and using your social, using your this, your that, all these things that you sign up for and memberships and this and that, and they could get it. It's a crazy situation, man. But kudos to those officers, man. Especially that one officer that was chasing them from the, it was good. He didn't stop. Some officers just stop. You get tired and stop, but he has very good stamina. I mean, even though he slowed down, which is normal, right? You're not going to keep the same speed, especially when you got 20, 30 pounds of extra equipment on you. But he still maintained a nice pace. You know what I mean? It was good. I just wish when he came around that corner, that other officer just cracked him. Bow! Oh, it was over with, man. Nice football form, tackle, perfect form. Just one of them Ray Lewis hits, man. Just knock his helmet off, boy. You know, knock some sense into him. That's the only thing I wish that would happen. That would have made this video way better. But it's still good. Still good content, man. Good stuff. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.